Hate scrubbing every single tile but still want sparkling floors? Here's how to get your tile looking fresh, fast. No crazy elbow grease required. Tile floors are awesome, tough, stylish, and they can handle whatever life throws at them. But wow, do they love to trap dirt? Don't worry, I've got a foolproof way to clean your tile floors without losing your mind. First, always start by sweeping or vacuuming. Get up the crumbs, pet hair, and dust bunnies so your mop isn't just pushing around dirt. Think of it as giving your tiles a clean slate. Next, pick the right mop for you. A microfiber, sponge, or spin mop works best. Skip those old stringy mops unless you want to smear yuck everywhere. Now, use a tile-friendly cleaner. A splash of warm water with a tile-safe cleaner keeps things bright. Or try a vinegar mix for ceramic and porcelain. Avoid harsh stuff. No one wants slippery, sticky floors. When you mop, start in the farthest corner and work your way out. No stepping on your masterpiece. Rinse that mop often for the best results. Once you're done, dry the floor with a towel or microfiber cloth. It prevents streaks and keeps things safe. Bonus tip, if your grout's looking funky, baking soda and a toothbrush will have it looking brand new. Keep up this simple routine and your home will be sparkling and stress-free. No time to clean? Let Bear Brothers Cleaning handle it. Call 256-633-6332 or visit bearbroscleaning.com for a free quote. Your home deserves to be berry clean.